What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about keyword research with kwfinder and some other tools.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So I was getting ready to do some keyword research here, and I figured I'd kind of show you guys the tools I'm using, how I, do it, find the different keywords and whatnot, and we'll go from there. So one of the first things I actually have a project that I'm working on called a video I'm putting out called Facebook templates and tabs. Okay, so it's if you notice here, I'm in kwfinder. This is a keyword tool that I use, and templates and tabs setup. Okay, so I just put that in, and I press the little green button here. Now notice there's autocomplete and questions. Okay, so you can actually do a search for certain keywords. Some keywords don't have enough searches for them to pull up. Like this one in particular doesn't. Like if you look at this one, autocomplete. You know what autocomplete is? That's basically where if you type in something and Google starts to finish it for you. Like these are autocompletes. Templates for resumes, templates for flyers. These are autocompletes. Okay, that's Google's algorithm doing that. And let's see if this thing pulls up anything for us. What we're doing here is trying to find a keyword that makes sense to do a video on, do a blog post on, potentially. And see, there just wasn't enough keyword suggestions in the autocomplete and questions. I already had done that, so I knew that was going to come up. But here's the actual keyword. Templates and tabs setup. This is for fan pages, okay? So what you're looking for here, this one's actually not that great of a keyword. There's not a lot of searches for this particular one. Let's go for Facebook. It's not agreeing with me here. Facebook. Now it's going to pull up. You're going to see there's going to be probably a heck of a lot of competition here because Facebook's been around for a while. And look at these 79, 61. These are high. But now Facebook tabs and templates is fairly low. Okay, so this is something. Now you click on this and you can see that a YouTube video is kind of taking the top position here. And you can always click on this to see what the video is. How to change your templates and tabs. And let's see. 976 views. It's been around for about a year, so not a lot of traffic, but might be worth doing a video for, a recent video, and probably Facebook tabs and templates. I'll probably use that in my keyword. It's a 17, and definitely one that I would probably be able to rank for fairly quickly and fairly easily. I always like to go over to YouTube too and do a search. Like I searched templates and tabs Facebook, and I wanted just to see what would come up. And I noticed how to edit the Facebook page and template tab order. Okay, that's a older video, 1 year old, but look at how many views, 4.5 thousand. And I have this tool called vidIQ, and you can actually see the velocity of this views per hour. This thing's still getting 0.2 views per hour, meaning basically every 5 hours it gets a view. So it's getting traffic, okay? So 4,500 views. Should be easy to rank for this, templates and tabs in Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as my keyword. I kind of identified that too. Potentially I could write an article and put it up on my blog, Marketing Meathead. And having a little issue with this blog. I got to get it fixed. But and I could potentially rank well for that particular keyword. Okay. Now, if you want to get into a little more detail here, there is a website that I will recommend called Moz, and you just got to log into Moz and set up an account. You get 10 queries a month, okay, for free, and you can go in and I pulled up my own, marketingmeathead.com, and it shows that I don't have a lot of inbound links and linking domains. I'm only a domain authority 16, but I'm getting there. I'm just starting working on this blog kind of heavy. and you can go in and do a lot of stuff, research on like your competitors and whatnot, and you can see what is, out there in terms of what you're trying to rank against. Okay, so if you pull up something like this keyword tool here, and for example, one of these websites like this one, you wanted to check out this website, and you wanted to put that in Moz and see like what, all the different backlinks and whatnot, you can do that. Okay, so that Moz is kind of handy. You only get 10 queries a month for free, then it becomes a paid tool, so keep that in mind. But obviously this is a pretty good one to go for. Now I did another, I wrote another blog post here for a landing page guide for super affiliates, but I wanted to see, as I go ahead and type in landing page guide, let's check the competition here, and just wanted to see what we come up with. So landing page guide, pretty high competition, and you're competing against Neil Patel, leadpages.net, instapage.com, Moz, Unbounce. These are the top 10, okay? There's no way you're going to rank, with my blog, is going to rank above any of these guys. No chance. Zero chance for the landing page guide. No, 100% no chance. Okay, these are all whales. Zapier, they're monsters. Unbounce is a monster. Moz is a monster. Neil Patel, come on. Okay, so what we got to do is find something that's a little bit more realistic to rank for, because you got no chance of ranking for that. Now, we could always go over to YouTube, and some people like to use the keyword tool for Google and YouTube, but I find that YouTube is a lot less saturated. It's also a search engine as well, and just by doing a simple search, landing page guide, and now we can see here template, tutorial, WordPress, landing page guide for affiliate marketing. Now that's a long tail keyword, and let's kind of see what comes up here. Okay, so here's an ad, so someone's advertising on that. Here's one that's been around for 7 months with almost 7,000 views, and how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing. It's not even like landing page for affiliate marketing. Okay, I mean, we could do that. Let's see if we got landing page guide for affiliate marketing, if anything comes up here. Now that changes things, okay? Now here's how to create a simple landing page for affiliate. Okay, so, these here, monthly searches under 1,500, you can kind of see all this stuff for the keywords here with the vidIQ tool I'm using. I do have the pro version of this tool, and I think this is a good one here, landing page guide for affiliate marketing. Now that's a good title and description I can put in for my YouTube and tags and whatnot, and I probably will rank high for this. Okay, maybe number 1. So, but now if we want to do an actual blog post and play in the Google world, and we're competing against Neil Patel and Unbounce and Moz, we got to find something else, okay? Because that's not going to work out so well for us. We're just going to be wasting our time. We're not going to get any traffic to our blog with that. But I did do a little searching around here, and landing page software, that's somebody that's looking for software with their buyer intent. There was something else I came up with. Landing page STRL, and I don't know what that means. 480 searches. I don't even know what that means. Landing page copywriting. This is okay. That's people that are actually looking to learn how to copyright, and I'm writing a super affiliate landing page guide. So that's kind of the same thing. And if you take a look here, there's really, you're dealing with Unbounce, landing page, but then you get into here where it's a little less competition, okay? And top 10, I mean, there's a chance you might actually be able to rank for this one, okay? So that's definitely a maybe for to go after a keyword, landing page copywriting. So if you put in landing page copywriting as your main keyword, and then embed the video from YouTube that hopefully you get ranking on that original landing page guide for affiliate marketing, then you have a nice link juice thing going on with your blog and YouTube, and that'll help you rank as well. So that's a possibility. Squeeze page design, that's interesting. That's people that are looking to design a squeeze page. Could be another blog that you could potentially put in like a silo with. You could potentially do a article just on squeeze page design, and then you have like your main article, say it's landing page design, and then you have a squeeze page design that links back to the main article, and then something else about landing pages. And what you do is you create what's called a silo on your website, and that silo basically gives Google a lot of juice, and they see that your content is all interrelated on your website, which helps overall your SEO value, okay? So it's what's called a silo when you build a silo out of different keywords and whatnot. So it's kind of a rabbit hole here, and it's a lot of work. Once you start building out these silos, you got to create like your main piece of copy that you really want to rank, and then you have these other like kind of sub pieces of copy that you're going to put on your blog that are going to all interlink and rank, and then you're really pushing all the juice up to the main one you're trying to rank for. That's kind of how a silo works. I can do another video later on when I'm actually building out a silo and show you guys all the work that goes into it. It's a lot of work. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say it's not, but I hate to go and put a blog post up that's just not going to get any traffic. Now I'm going to use this as a lead magnet, so it's not the end of the world for me if it doesn't get a lot of traffic. But if I can go ahead and try to get it to rank for something, I might as well. So I like this landing page copywriting. I think that's going to be the best one to go for here. It's not super easy. You're dealing with HubSpot. That's a big one. I see a couple other ones on here that I recognize. What was the other one I saw? Unbounce. They're really big, and they do a ton of content. So you're going to have a hard time ranking against that. But, if you can get this thing to rank in the top, 6 or 7 somehow, and get that video to rank number 1 for that keyword, you might be able to get a little bit of traffic and juice to it. So that's basically how you use, keyword finder, KW finder, and Moz to go in and start doing some research and finding out who your competition is. So if you guys did like what you see today and you are interested in getting KW Finder, I am an affiliate for them, and I'll put a link below. It's a great tool. It's not that expensive, and it saves a ton of time when it comes to this keyword research. Time is money in my business. I'm extremely busy. I have a lot of companies, and I don't have a ton of time to do keyword research. So I go in, I find what I need to find, get the articles. Sometimes I write them myself. Sometimes I have a writer do them, and we get the articles done. We get them up. We get them keyword optimized, and get the videos up and get them keyword optimized, and then we're off to the next project. Okay, so if you guys did enjoy today and did learn something, I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will welcome you to the channel. If you have any comments for me or any suggestions on keyword research, I'd love to hear them. Leave that in the comments below as well. Go ahead and give me a like on the video, and subscribe and bang that notifications bell. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.